Hello, my name is Adrian. I am Sales and Business Development Manager for 3D printing polyamide powders for Europe at the Arkema chemical company. And I'm very happy to talk about the partnership we have with HP, a very strong partnership which allowed us recently to launch two incredible materials on the MGF technology. So last year already we launched the PA12S, which is having a tremendous success on the market. And also this year announced at the Formnext 2025 the P11 Gen2. And those are wonderful opportunities to enable new applications on the market. We are extremely happy to showcase those materials together with HP. Um, Let me talk a little bit about PA12S. The S stands for smooth, and really it has an amazing surface finish, which is really amazing. And just to give you an example, it's so smooth that sometimes you don't even need the chemical smoothing afterwards. The finish here with a dyed part is really, really great. So we are improving there. But also more importantly, we are reducing the cost per part quite significantly with with this material, which is something that the markets, of course, ask all the time, cheaper, 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 and we are achieving something here, something that really can disrupt, and this is a great story. On top of it, we have P11 Gen 2. This is even more new. Um, and P11 Gen 2, just to explain, so second generation of P11, Arkema is working on P11 for a very long time. And we have P11 Gen 1, of course, available on the NGR technology for a while. P11 Gen 2 essentially brings three main advantages. The first advantage is that we are improving the refresh ratio. So it used to be 70/30, now it's 80/20 for those who know what I'm talking about. For those who don't, we make the cost per part cheaper, which is the main consequence. So the cost per part of P11 Gen 2 is very much improved. And so we are reducing the gap of P11 Gen 2 price or P11 price compared to PA12, which is, basically we are making the material more affordable. But not only, we are also improving the materials and mechanical transformers reliabilities. So this is also quite an improvement there. And just let me remind for those who don't really know P11, P11 is made out of castor plant. It's a bio-based material. We have a great sustainability story about this material because it's bio-based. We have reduced carbon footprints, and P11 Gen 2 is basically the most sustainable material on the MGF platform today. So we are really happy about that. We are really happy about um, P11 Gen 2. The feedback that we get from the market on P11 Gen 2 is really amazing. We are happy that it's really clear that we are going to have a great success with this material. So Arkema is really happy about the partnership we have with HP, because together we are bringing new solutions to uh, answer needs from the market, not only on cost per part, which is of course very important, but also on high-end applications like the ones that the P11 Gen 2 is tackling. So we have a great partnership that allows to bring very good materials and solutions to the market. Of course, we are working also on solutions for the future, and stay tuned because we might have more things in the future.